Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Solana chart. Solana has moved significantly in the last few weeks. I think we haven't covered it for a while, so let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. All right, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register here completely for free. You'll find the link in the video description, and then you can get access to all of our Elliott Wave updates. Again, it's completely for free. Today, we want to take a look at the cryptocurrencies. I mean, they are on the move, and specifically, we want to take a look at the Solana chart. Solana is one of the coins, one of the charts that is moving very, very closely with Bitcoin. Not all coins are doing that. I mean, just compare the Litecoin chart with the Solana chart. It's a huge difference. People still say that all the coins are moving with Bitcoin. It's just not the case. But Solana has actually already quite soon in this cycle started to move with Bitcoin. So it's been moving up since like December 2022, January 2023, roughly when Bitcoin started the bull market as well. I want to share with you first like the long-term chart here on the long-term Solana chart, which actually shows that Solana could get close to a long-term top, or let's say more a substantial top. It's not necessarily a long-term top, it's a substantial top, and I'm talking about blue wave 1 here, which could then be corrected by blue wave 2. This here is a 5-wave move up that is a first 5-wave move that indicates in Elliott wave language, let's say, it indicates the trend is up. But once we have a 5-wave move up, as we did also here in 2021, this move is typically going to be corrected by a wave 2. So in this case, we talk about wave 1, wave 2. That was the last bull market and bear market, where the price bottomed around the $8 mark, $7 to $8 mark. And then from here, a rally, obviously, in 5 waves. And that's wave 1 that's at the moment unfolding. Again, a 5-wave move. In a larger degree, 3rd wave. I mean, we could talk about long-term like $1,000 plus, for this chart. But before we really enter the what we would call parabolic stage on this chart, we will likely see another correction in blue wave 2, which would be a corrective pullback. Actually, a correction could be called a crash in crypto. I mean, what would be a crash in a normal market in crypto is more like a correction. So it would be a 3-wave move down in blue wave 2. We would expect the market to hold a higher low and then really break out. So expectations at the moment are that in this wave 2 correction, which could start soon, not yet, we will probably fall back into the range. But then if we fall back into the range, hold a higher low, the surge in the next rally will be significant. Now, let's take a look at the shorter time frame chart. Here you can see that recently the price formed a low there around, that was the August low, around $110. That was a significant swing low that we label as wave 4, a correction, before we then started here wave 5 to the upside. Again, you see that actually on the longer time frame chart. We're dealing with this 5th wave up that's now part of this larger wave 1 in blue, and you can see here this is an internal wave 4. We're likely in the wave 5 now, so in the very late stages of a bullish phase. And the most aggressive bullish phase was this larger 3rd wave that you see here. Then in orange wave 4 we formed this correction, and now we could be in the wave 5. That's the expectation at the moment. And here we already completed waves 1 and 2. This is again a 5-wave move up. This orange 5th wave, we're now in the 3rd wave, which could still stretch a little bit higher. And once we see a top, we will probably be able to add another trading area. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes not so clear. If we get a clear structure, then we will probably add another trading area here. We would expect this wave 4 to, maybe take a bit of time, a few weeks maybe, and then ideally be, let's say, rather a shallow correction, a higher low obviously, but it should be a shallow correction, not that much of an aggressive correction, and then the final push to the upside. And we see something similar on the Bitcoin chart as a potential. I mean, if you watched the recent Bitcoin video, then you will know that we see the possible top very, very soon. And as mentioned in the beginning, that Solana and Bitcoin, they kind of move together. They move in very similar ways. And it is possible that Bitcoin also forms this additional 4-5 pattern. So they're very much moving together. Can we always rely on that? No, but it would look best with this additional pattern. And then once we get this wave count complete, there will at some point be a support area that once we break below it will indicate that the long-term top is in. For now, any break below the August low would confirm, based on what we see now, that probably this long-term top has already formed, but it's not expected yet. Should fill in this pattern before completing the larger rally. So that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you follow us here on the website, register for free, and also let me know in the comments which are the cryptocurrencies or tech stocks you want me to cover this week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.